Alright guys, so we made it to Laguna Seca, to the Aprilia Racers Days. I'm gonna give you guys 3 things in this video. Number 1, onboard footage of my very first track ride on the base model 2021 RSV4. Number 2, my onboard reaction to working with Dave Moss as he adjusts and fine-tunes the stock suspension of the RSV4. And number 3, a little fun trading bikes with my friend Tom while I take his Panigale V4S and chase him while he rides the 2021 RSV4. Let's do it.
So is it just me, or does this bike feel a little lighter, maybe more nimble than the factory version? I don't know. Maybe it's the tire settings, maybe it's the track, but this bike, the engine is just incredible. I'm willing to bet that everyone I ask here today who test rode this bike for the first time will talk about the acceleration. So good. Here's onboard footage of my very first track ride on the all-new 2021 Aprilia RSV4 base model. Now, let's go ride with some friends. Let's see, we're in the road dash, user map, AEM3, engine braking 2, traction control. Let's bring that down a little. Let's say 4, it's still a little cold out there. Wheelie control 2, launch control doesn't matter, ABS 1. Let's go. That suit looks good on that bike. Brian Evans. So this will be my first real session after Dave Moss made some significant adjustments to the stock suspension settings. We are expecting the bike to have less chatter mid-corner and hold a tighter line. Let's see if that's what we feel. But visually, while he was making those adjustments here outside the garage, visually there were some big differences, very noticeable. just by the bouncing he was doing with the motorcycle. So 2021 RSV4 base model, let's check this out. Laguna Seca at the Aprilia Racers Days. Sun is out. Changing the map to track 1, which is my custom track map for now. Engine management 3, engine braking 2, traction control 3, wheelie control 2, launch control doesn't matter, ABS 1. Beautiful day. Sun is out. This bike feels so good. Why does it feel so good? So comfortable. It just feels responsive, like it's just ready to go. Alright, one more little session to see if that rear could stay with me after the last Dave Moss adjustments. The rear was sliding out on me consistently coming out of turn 2. Well, yeah, that rear is a lot more stable. Thank you, Dave Moss, that fixed it. That really did. I just tested it coming out of turn 2. Oh yeah. Sounds like Leo behind me. Yep. Let's see if we can get Tom back. There he goes. No, that's not Tom. That's not Tom. Up close and personal with Corey Burns. Smooth as ever on that 210.
Hey guys, just completed a day at Laguna Seca for the Aprilia Racer Days, and I was allowed to ride the 1100 Factory, or RSV4 Factory. And two words come to mind regarding my day at Laguna Seca on the RSV4 Factory. One would be precision, because that bike allows me to put it anywhere I wanted to on the track. It was unflappable, phenomenal bike, and sold. I am going to be picking up a new RSV4 Factory after riding at Laguna. Thanks, Aprilia. I had a great time. See you guys next time on my personal RSV4. See ya.